2018 Nissan Armada. The Nissan Armada seats up to 8 comfortably, boasts an endurance V8 engine with 317 horsepower, 385 pounds of torque, and 9,100 pounds of maximum towing capacity. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, stability control, traction control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, tow hitch, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto dimming rear view mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.